You're wasting your brain and you don't even know it. Every single day, your mind is getting weaker, slower, and more distracted. And the scariest part is you think it's normal. You wake up, you check your phone, you scroll TikTok, Instagram, maybe YouTube Shorts. Your brain gets a quick hit of dopamine. Feels good, right? But here's the trap. When it's time to focus, to study, to read, or do deep work, your brain resists. It gets bored. It craves that same fast, easy stimulation you gave it in the morning. You've trained your brain to prefer short bursts of entertainment over long stretches of focus. So now, when you try to concentrate, it feels impossible. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is wired for distraction. This is how most people waste their brain, not with bad intentions, but with small daily habits that seem harmless. The cost is huge. You lose your ability to think clearly, to stay present, to work deeply, and over time, you start to feel stuck. But here's the good news. You can rewire your brain. Start by protecting your mornings. Don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Let your brain wake up without noise. Then, train your focus. Read for 10 minutes. Sit in silence. Write down your thoughts. Do something slow and boring on purpose. Because you're teaching your brain that not everything has to be fast. And when your brain learns to slow down, you regain control. You get sharper, more focused, more alive. Most people will keep wasting their brain every day. But not you. You know better now. And if you take control of your mind, you take control of your life.